So guys, we got this 15 grand Cherokee Overland, and the car won't power up when you press anything. It was in an accident. If you put the hazard lights on, you get that pattern. So what I did was I came under here. I removed this rear star connector right here. I'll show you guys. Let me get this disconnected real quick. So you can see I pulled that out of the connector enough there, and then our weird waveform goes away. So if I plug this back in, let's see, we get our weird waveform back. So that means our issues on the other side. I'll show you guys how I found these connectors. So I came into Mitchell Pro Demand, and I'm using my Breakout box. I should show you guys that right there, connected to my Zeus to lab scope. So these yellow and this gray wire, you follow these up. These come over here to 1 and 2. We follow 1 and 2 over right here, and these come down to these connectors right here on the side. And we scroll down, it says star connector, left end of dash, which is that one. But then that other one we disconnect is 3 wires. When it's 3 wires, they always go to another connector. So right here, this comes over 4 and 5. So if we follow 4 and 5, let's see, 4 and 5 right here, these come over, and this comes into our center of dash one, which is right here. So let me disconnect the 2 on here, and I'll show you guys what happens to our waveform that I found. Okay, so there's our waveform. Now if we come down here and we pull this out, look at our waveform. Seeing our dash just powered up. Our dash just powered up just by doing that. And look at our, see our low speed is still looking all messed up. It's not mirroring our high. I mean, our can low is not mirroring our can high. So if we come down here and unplug this other one that's right here, there we go. Now look at them. Now they look perfect. So, and if we come to our diagram right here, it's our yellow, or both are yellow and grays. So this yellow and gray come up here. It goes to our damping control module. And then this other one, this yellow and gray, goes to our, it says adaptive cruise control module behind front center of dash. So what I wanted to show you now that we got those unplugged, now it starts. There we go, look at that. And look at our CAN network with those 2 unplugged. So what I want to do is I want to go back, let's see, display all system lists. Let's scan this car and we'll see what we can talk to. Hopefully we can talk to everything. Unless maybe my tools broke. Why is it not scanning anything? Let me see if I can get this to scan. So this adaptive cruise control module right here, it has 1 power and 1 ground, that's it. So we just gotta check those 2. So let's test that up front. Okay, look up front. I got us, let me test this up here. Got us back probe right here. So back probe in power and ground. Let's see. So all we gotta do is go on the power, and then into our ground. Got these touching. Okay, I guess my phone got too hot, but there you go. We're pierced into the red and the black, and that's working. So now take these out. And we plug our star connector in underneath here. One of these will take it down and the other one won't. So is it this one? Okay, that one took it down. I heard everything beep. Plug this one. There we go. So that one can plug in now. Look at that. You guys, I gotta shut the car off because now the fan's on high. Guys, here's our air suspension control module. We got a power that comes into this pink and light green right here. Run start relay. So if we come down here, pink and light green right here. So we have good power. That's a headlight bulb. And then we got this pink and black. Let's see. Pink and black.
So far so good?
Yeah, I unplugged the front radar.
Yeah.
And the network was fine plugging it back into the star connector there. Okay. So you need a new radar module.
So we're gonna.
And now I'm checking the air suspension module.
Okay.
So pink and black. Pink and black. That should be right here. And that lights up. So yeah, that's bad. So we'll unplug this, and then if we unplug this and our network's okay, then it's just a bad module. So let's unplug this. So I unplugged the air ride control module, plug this star connector back up. Let's see, it's unplugged. Where's our connectors? Oh, they're laying right there. So, and now our network's good. So I really hope you guys like this one. See you guys later. So guys, just show you guys real quick. Shut it off. Everything's still lit up. Start it back up. Maybe. Where's our key? Oh, it's under my laptop. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, so see you guys later.